Are you buying a home here in Metro Detroit in 2024? Do you have a budget of $400,000 or less? Let's head over to West Bloomfield and see what that can get you right now in January. Welcome to this exquisite 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in West Bloomfield. It's 2,300 square feet and a beautiful colonial. Our tour begins inside the foyer, which leads to the living room, where recently refinished wood floors and stylish decor create a welcoming atmosphere. The dining room is a warm and inviting space, perfect for gatherings. A convenient half bath on this floor offers modern comforts, and adjacent is the practical first floor laundry. Heading over to the family room, it has an inviting fireplace and is a cozy retreat right next to your kitchen. Speaking of this kitchen, it is a delight, featuring new appliances, ample space, ceramic tile, granite backsplash, and granite counters. As we head upstairs, you'll see the hardwood floors continue throughout up here. We're heading over to bedrooms 1 and 2, which are also accompanied by a full bath, blending comfort with functionality. The third bedroom, like its counterparts, is a peaceful sanctuary. Finally, let's head to this large primary bedroom, a stylish haven. Its walk-in closet offers generous storage. We can't forget the ensuite bath, with a lot of recent updates, including the ceramic shower and granite counters. Finally, let's head down to this finished basement. It's been recently finished and provides a versatile space for entertainment or relaxation. Heading out to the 3-season room is an idyllic spot for enjoying the outdoors in comfort. The home is a short walk from West Bloomfield High School, and it's more than a residence. It's a lifestyle waiting to be discovered, with walking paths and parks nearby. If you're interested in this home, contact me ASAP in the information in the description, because this house isn't going to last the weekend I put this up. In the meantime, I hope this was educational, and happy house hunting.